days, most of people is thinking about time machine and time travel. Also, I want to do too. And I'm thinking about my older format. I want to do cool things or want to be great grandfather. And there are a lot of types of cool things and great grandfather. So let me introduce about that. First, there are many types of cool things. There are playing sports, cooking and others, but I want special things. So I make my own YouTube account, and if I be famous, my entire life would be happy. Also, I'll be pro gamer too. I'm good to playing many games. For example, I'm very good at Minecraft. If I be both of them, I can earn a lot of money. So I can live in Seoul and be world star grandpa too. Second, I want to be a great grandpa because if I'm 70 years old, I will have my grandsons and I want to make my grandsons happy. Also, I will make my grandsons to be famous too. Lastly, I will die with great honor. So I will do very great things like to help many people. To conclude, I want to do cool things and I will be great grandfather when I'm 70 years old. Thank you for listening my presentation.